Hello guys, we are from the second group. My name is Ilham Dwi Susilo W. You can call me Ilham. There are the member of my group.
Hi, my name is Baiq Feby Z and you can call me Feby.
Another.
Hello, my name is Nata Asha Oktaviana. You can call me Asha.
Next.
Hi, my name is Shinta Yuliana. You can call me Shinta.
And the last one is?
My name is Afra.
Okay. That's all.
Let's enjoy.
No, let's enjoy the video. Yeah.
At some place in Malang, there was a group which all of the members are gone. They are Feby, Shinta, Asha, and Afra. They were friends since first day in the university. One day, Feby, Shinta, Asha, and Afra meet up after exhausting class.
Hello guys. Hi guys. I'm so tired.
Two.
Guys, how was today? I feel so tired. I'm bored for today.
I also feel tired. The teacher gave us a lot of work to do and we still have homework. What are you up to after this?
Make me so tired and very hungry.
Okay, let's just start eating.
Did you bring lunch?
Sure. So, saving the money.
Today I have eaten a lot.
Feb, why every day you eat junk food?
What's wrong?
Febby, do you know junk food make our body not healthy? You know that?
No, I don't know.
Okay, stop talking and let's just eat. Okay.
Few moments later, the girls finish their lunch. Before they leave the place, Shinta starts conversation about what happened before they have lunch. She's seriously worried about Feby's lunch because it's unhealthy. Asha and Afra also tell it to her.
Fred, why do you eat junk food every day? You make junk food, drink eggs. It is not good for healthy fat. I have read an article. If junk food is high in fat and sugar, and eating too much junk food makes the body lose nutrition such as amino acids. Photosynthesis is proven. If you forever eating junk food, you can be very not health, and then your weight is over.
You let me worry. I don't like my weight to go up. Well, if you don't want to lose some weight, I think you should go diet. Okay.
Because of her worries,
Asha tried to help Feby by looking in internet about how to do diet properly. After so many decisions, she chose one article. She met Feby immediately after that. She met Feby before the class and showed the article that she found about food that good for diet program.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Nih, for my search, I found a blog that contains good food for your program diet. Do you want?
Yes, I want.
Okay, no problem.
Can I look your article?
Sure. This is nih the list of the food good for your diet program. You can choose one.
Thank you. I will read and consider it.
Okay.
After listening to the advice of his friends, Feby became confused because there are many diet programs available. For that, she met Ilham, one of her friends who had successfully run a diet program.
Hi, I heard when you diet and it works, right?
Yes, my diet.
What diet program do you use? And please share with me.
My diet program. I have one product from me, and I will be recommend for you. This. Yes, this. This.
Oh, what this is, Ilham?
This product from my family. My family have a good company. Where the composition of this product can make we can give low fat and much benefit with this composition like water, sugar, Nata de Coco. The main product of this is Nata de Coco. So I recommend to you to using a diet with Nata de Coco.
Low fat content, then Nata de Coco is very safe for consumption for a diet program prep. And by the way, I have also read an article that Nata de Coco rich in fiber and cellulose, so it is safe and healthy for a diet program.
Oh, really? I have to try diet with Nata de Coco.
By the way, I bring for you one.
Oh.
Where do you?
Oh, thank you. I will drink it, Ilham. So fresh.
Very tasty, sweet, and fresh.
So fresh. Besides good properties for a diet program, it turned out it feels sweet and fresh. My thirsty is gone, Ilham. Thank you.
Of course, because the Nata de Coco there are so much benefit, which is from the to prevent diabetes and much more. There, if you know the Nata de Coco, there are some from the water, coconut water. There are fermentation with acetobacter. I think yes, I think. There are so much. You can like your even grinder and much more.
go through a few processes to produce the Nata de Coco, and each process is a work of art. We peel off, shaving, squeeze fresh coconut in order to obtain the freshness ingredients of nata. We mix the ingredient of coconut milk, sugar, vinegar, and water. Our R&D team will cultivate Ectobacter xylinum and look for a suitable sample of nata. Ferment process takes about 7 days, where the temperature must be well controlled to ensure the nata growth is healthy. Certain thickness of nata will be formalized after 7 days. We will clean up the surface of nata after it has been harvested. After cleaned, each sheet of nata will be put into a cutting machine and will be cut into small cubes according to the size required. In order to ensure the same size of every cube of nata de coco, we only select the finest cube of nata. It will be rinsed for 1 to 2 days in order to clean out the acid contained. Finally, nata de coco will be cooked with high temperature by adding sugar and ingredients.
Three.
So, for you all who want to diet, but with remain healthy and want to eat healthy without side effect, for them, let's consume of nata de coco. Okay.
Okay. I saw her from a distance. I wanna tell her how I feel. Her eyes are beautiful and sparkling, giving me a shock of electricity. I saw her from a distance. She has pretty brown eyes. She is so amazing. It's true. I hope you'll notice me sometime. I hope you'll be with me, be mine. You're everything. You're my sunshine. Oh, 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 'cause I've been struck by